Hey guys, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget, and we're here today for the full final spoilers for the October box for Allure. So you might have seen my last video of some spoilers, and at that time I showed you 3. However, we have 3 more, and we do know what the bonus item is as well. And this time there are no variations at all, so you will know exactly what you are getting in the October box. So I do currently have a brand new giveaway going on. If you look at my videos, you will see this thumbnail right here, and I'll also leave the link in the description box because you have to go to that video to enter and leave a comment and do that stuff. In the giveaway will be the iconic London Sunrise to Sunset palette. It's worth $65, and also the Jeffree Star mini Jawbreaker palette. It is awesome. I have one. It's great. There will also be other items in the giveaway, and the giveaway is open till October 1st, so that'd be great if you would go check that out. You might win. You never know. So if you're not familiar with Allure or you are not signed up, if you sign up before the end of September, you will first get the September box. And here is exactly what is in the September box. There's one variation. The variation is that you would either get the Laura Mercier translucent powder or the NARS pencil. And then the bonus item for, well, it's a sign-up bonus, is the Victor & Rolf Flower Bomb perfume. So if you do sign up as a new subscriber, your first box will be only $10, and then your boxes will be $15 a month after that, since Allure is a monthly subscription box. And again, my link will be down below in the description box. And while you're at it, if you guys could all hit the like button and subscribe, I would so appreciate it, since I'm a new YouTuber. I've only been here about 6 months. And set your notifications to all so that you are made aware of when my new videos go up, and also when I post in the community tab about breaking news about BoxyCharm, Ipsy, Boxy Pop-Up, whatever it is. I post it on the community tab so you guys know and can take advantage of the deals. Okay, this is the first look of the entire box for October, and some of these items I did go over in my first video, and those would be up top we have the Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. That will be a sample size. It will probably be a small sample size because it's a very expensive product, I would assume, and it's a new product from Sunday Riley. Also in my last video I told you guys about the M61. This is the Power Glow Peel pads. We will be getting 3 of these. And M61, if you don't know, is the in-house brand for Blue Mercury, and Blue Mercury is a luxury beauty store. It's kind of like a Sephora, but then a little bit more luxurious, like with all the fancy schmancy stuff, including very, very, very expensive skincare creams that I've never heard of. So also in my previous video I told you we'd be getting a Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. Not sure of the size. These do come in multiple sizes. They come in a purse size, they come in a travel size. It really could be just about anything. Possibly it'll be the travel size, but here are some new items that were not in my last video. So a full-size item will be the Model Co. Eye Lights, which is a liquid eyeshadow in the shade Granite. If you did see spoilers from other channels where they showed you 2 shades, well, now it's been confirmed that it's only going to come in 1 shade, and that's Granite, and it's a silvery shade. It's a full size, And this is an Australian company, Model Co. And I can't really tell you the value of it since it was in Australian dollars. I guess I could have looked it up, but you know, I had to get on here and tell you guys about the spoilers as soon as I could. Okay, another full-size item is from Model Co. This is the metallic eyeshadow trio, and the name of it is Tropez. So you can see like a creamy shade, you can see a brownish shade, and then a darker brownish shade. All three of those are metallic. This is full size. Again, it's from Model Co. And then for our last official item, this is going to be the Knipe, K-N-E-I-P-P. It's a mineral bath salt, and the type of it, or the name of it, is Dream Away, and this looks like it'll be a packet. The full size is a 17-ounce bottle. However, we will be getting a 2.1 ounce, what I think is a packet, and it's good for one full bath. So it's a sample size. And what this formula is said to do is to calm, detoxify, and support restful sleep. And then for the bonus item is Luma Phy Eyedrops. And I don't know about you, but I kind of think that these subscription boxes are starting to add some unusual things to our boxes. Like, remember when Sephora, Play by Sephora, added the mushroom turmeric tea bags or latte envelopes? And now we have BoxyCharm giving us water bottles, and now we have Allure giving us eye drops. Do not ask me what is going on. It's strange. So I hope you like these spoilers. Please hit the like button. Let me know what you think about this particular box. This is the October box. It's called the Beauty 6-Pack. It says try our editor's fall favorites. It seems to have a good array of products of skincare and makeup, but let me know what you think down below if you get Allure and what your favorite item is that you're looking forward to in this box. So thanks so much for watching the video, guys. Again, I'd really appreciate it if you did hit the like button and subscribe and check out my giveaway, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye, guys.